Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have a simple card tutorial for you today. I use 3 stamp sets for my cards. I use Hero Art Sending Holiday Cheer stamp set, Sunny Studio Christmas Home stamp set, and Mama Elephant Hampton Art City Sidewalks stamp set. I will be using craft cardstock for my panels. I'm going to prep them with a lot of powder to eliminate static, and I'm using dry brush to spread the powder on my panels. My inspiration for these cards is from this 6x6 paper pad, and it's called Christmas Town by Doodlebug. I love this paper. I love all Doodlebug papers. They are so cute. I'm going to stamp all of the houses on my craft panels with Versamark ink. If you're running out of time to make Christmas cards, you don't have to add the white embossing powder. I think the tone and tone on the panels also looks good and just adds sentiments. I also add snowflakes on my panels to look like snowing in the village. I'm going to leave some music here, but you can skip if you don't want to see all the stamping. I will also stamp my sentiments using Versamark ink with Wow Opaque Bright White embossing powder on a red cardstock. I will cut the embossed sentiments using my Fiskars trimmer. I want them to be straight as possible, and cutting it with my scissor is not going to work for me. And here are my panels and sentiments ready to be assembled. I cut the inside of my red mat because I'm running out of that red paper. I just need a little bit of red border behind my panels, and you won't see the cutout because I'm going to adhere the craft panels on top of it. I used DMC gold metallic thread to go behind my sentiments. I will adhere the sentiments with foam tape and arrange them in the middle of the card. I fuss with the thread and sentiments until I'm satisfied with the placement. I will embellish the front of the cards with ink road stamps, clear dewdrops, and adhere them with glossy accents. For the inside of the cards, I will add sentiments from the stamp sets, and I will also use the snowman and Christmas tree. I will stamp them with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And my cards are finished. These cards are so simple to make, and I had a lot of fun making these cards. As always, thank you so much for always watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you like today's cards, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye. I have two more Christmas cards that you might like to watch on the side of the screen.